Good morning, children. Welcome to Social Science class. Children, today we are going to learn second lesson Mineral Resources. MINERAL Mineral Resources 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 Mineral Resources. Do you know the meaning of this topic, children? Yes. Mineral resources means natural resources in the form of minerals. Natural resources in the form of minerals. Children, before we could learn about mineral resources, first we will know about natural resources. Natural resources are materials from the earth that are used to support life. Natural resources are important to us because they satisfy the daily needs of man, such as food, clothing, and shelter. Metals, stone, natural gas, oil, coal, sand, and wood are the natural resources. Other natural resources are air, sunlight, soil, and water. Natural resources can be divided into two types. They are renewable resources and non-renewable resources. Renewable resources can be regained by the efforts of people after they getting exhausted. Example for renewable resources are plants, animals, water, fresh air, and land. Next, non-renewable resources. They present in small quantity and never be regained either from the earth or by human beings after getting exhausted. Example for non-renewable resources are minerals, fossil fuels, and soil. Now, let's learn the names of some minerals found on the earth. Iron ore, gold, potash, silver, bauxite, zinc, lithium, and copper. These are the minerals found on the earth. See these pictures, children. Did you see these things in your daily life? Yes. Where did you see? Yes, we see these things in our kitchen. Do you know, children, what all these things are made up of? Yes, these things are made up of copper. Where do we get copper? Yes, we get copper in rocks and soil. Okay, children. Now let's learn about copper. Copper is one of the most used mineral in today's world. They are very useful and are found naturally on the earth. It is very good conductor of electricity. Copper is used in all electrical appliances including computers, televisions, mobile phones, and other electrical devices. Most copper is used in electrical equipment such as wiring and motors. This is because it conducts both heat and electricity very well and also can be drawn into wires. Copper is easily molded based metal, that is often added to precious metals to improve their elasticity, flexibility, hardness, and color. Another widely used mineral is iron ore. It is mainly used to produce iron. Iron ores are found at Kanjamalai in Tamil Nadu. Iron is used to make vehicles, engines, railway tracks, ships, buildings, furniture, paper clips, tools, bicycles, and thousands of other items. Iron is the most important of all metals. 90% of all metal that is refined today is iron. Most is used to manufacture steel, used in civil engineering and in manufacturing. Another mineral is gold ore. Gold is extracted from gold ore. It is considered as one of the most precious mineral. That is why it is used in making jewels. Gold is also a very good conductor of electricity, and it is found in small amounts in electronic devices including mobile phones, television and so on. Gold is used in connectors, switch and connecting wires. A small amount of gold is used in almost every electronic device. Gold is a memorable metal that occupies a special place in the human mind. It can be melted and cast into highly detailed shapes, has a wonderful color and a brilliant luster. Uses of gold in the United States. 50% of gold is used for making jewels, and 37% of gold is used for electronic uses, and 8% of gold is used for official coins, and 5% of gold is used for other uses. Children, today we learnt about the minerals copper, iron ore and gold. Remaining lesson we will see in the next class. Children, in page number 124 you have an activity. Fill in the blanks. Here they have given 3 options and also some pictures. So you have to see these pictures and write the answers in the dashes. First one, see this picture children. What is this? Yes, this is a rod. Dash rod. The options are gold, iron and copper. So the answer is iron. This is iron rod. So you have to write iron here. I-R-O-N, iron rod. Next, see the second picture. What is this? Yes, this is a bowl. It is gold bowl or copper bowl? Yes, it is a copper bowl. So the answer is copper. You have to write copper here. C-O-P-P-E-R, copper. Copper bowl. See the last picture children. What is this? Yes, these are bangles. These are gold bangles. So you have to write gold here. G-O-L-D, gold bangles. Iron rod, copper bowl and gold bangles. Children, let's learn the glossary of this lesson. First one, conductor. Conductor means a substance that quickly conducts electricity, heat and so on. Second one, precious. Precious means valuable. And third one, manufacture. Manufacture means make. Conductor, a substance that quickly conducts electricity, heat and so on. substance, substance, substance. That, that, that. Quickly, quickly, quickly. Conducts, conducts, conducts. Electricity, electricity, electricity. Heat, heat, heat. Next one, precious, valuable. valuable, valuable. Next, manufacture, means make. make, make. Conductor, a substance that quickly conducts electricity, heat, and so on. Precious, valuable. Manufacture, make. Children, now let's learn some dictation words from this lesson. Number 1, minerals. minerals, minerals. Number 2, electrical appliances. electrical, electrical appliances. appliances, appliances, electrical appliances. Number 3, conductor. conductor, conductor. Number 4, television. television, television. Number 5, natural resources. natural, natural resources. resources, resources, natural resources. Minerals, electrical appliances, conductor, television, natural resources. Number 6, renewable. renewable, renewable. Number 7, petroleum. petroleum, petroleum. Number 8, precious. precious, precious. Number 9, insulated copper. insulated, insulated copper. copper, insulated copper. Number 10, manufacture. manufacture, manufacture. Renewable, petroleum, precious, insulated copper, and manufacture. Next, answer the following. Number 1, name some minerals found on the earth. Name some minerals found on the earth. The answer is copper, gold, iron ore, bauxite, zinc, potash, aluminium and silver. Copper, COPPER, copper. Gold, GOLD, gold. Iron ore, IRON, iron, ore, 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 iron ore. Bauxite, BAUXITE, bauxite. Zinc, ZINK, zinc. Potash, POTASH, potash. Aluminium, ALUMINIUM, aluminium. Silver, SILVER, silver. Copper, gold, iron ore, bauxite, zinc, potash, aluminium and silver. So these minerals are found on the earth. Question number 2. Name some minerals that are conductors of electricity. Name some minerals that are conductors of electricity. The answer is copper, aluminium, steel, gold and brass. So these are the minerals that are conductors of electricity. Copper, COPPER, copper. Aluminium, ALUMINIUM, aluminium. Steel, STEEL, steel. Gold, GOLD, gold. Brass, BRASS, brass. Copper, aluminium, steel, gold and brass. Question number 3. What are the 3 types of non-renewable resources? What are the 3 types of non-renewable resources? The 3 types of non-renewable resources are metallic resources, non-metallic resources and fossil fuel resources. Metallic resources, METALLIC, metallic resources. RESOURCES, resources, metallic resources. Non-metallic resources, NON, non-metallic. METALLIC, metallic resources. RESOURCES, resources, non-metallic resources. Fossil fuel resources, FOSSIL, fossil. Fuel, FUEL, fuel. Resources, 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 fossil fuel resources. Metallic resources, non-metallic resources and fossil fuel resources. Next, question number 4. Where does iron ores are found in Tamil Nadu? Where does iron ores are found in Tamil Nadu? The answer is iron ores are found at Kanjamalai in Tamil Nadu. Iron ores are found at Kanjamalai in Tamil Nadu. Iron ores. IRON. Iron ores. 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 ARER. Found. 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 At. At. Kanjamalai. 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 IN in. Tamil Nadu. TAMILNADU. Tamil Nadu. Iron ores are found at Kanjamalai in Tamil Nadu. Next, question number 5. Write few uses of copper. Write few uses of copper. Copper is used in all electrical appliances, including computers, televisions, mobile phones, and other electronic devices. Copper. 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 is used. 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 in all. 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 Electrical. 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 Appliances. APPLIANCES. Appliances, including INCLUDING. Including computers. 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 Televisions. 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 Mobile phones. MOBILE. Mobile phones. 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 Mobile phones. And other. 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 Electronic. ELECTRONIC. Electronic devices. 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 Electronic devices. Copper is used in all electrical appliances, including computers, televisions, mobile phones, and other electrical devices. A conversation between a father and son in their new house, where some electrical work is going on. The son picks up an insulated copper wire from the ground. Insulated. Insulated means to protect something with a material that prevent electricity, heat or sound from passing through. The son asked his father, "What is this, Daddy?" His father replied, "That is a wire. We are using it to give electrical connection in our house." Son, this is blue thick wire and there are many thin metal wires inside this. His father told his son, the thin metal wires are made up of copper. His son eagerly asked his father, "Copper?" His father said, "Copper is one of the most used mineral in today's world." Son, I have read about minerals in school. They are very useful and are found naturally on the earth. Then his father said, "You are right. Copper is very good conductor of electricity." Son, is it? Father, yes. Copper is used in all electrical appliances, including computers, televisions, mobile phones, and other electronic devices. Son, wow, I did not know that. Tell me about other useful minerals. Father, another widely used mineral is iron ore. It is mainly used to produce iron. Then his son asked his father, "What are the uses of iron?" Children, do you know where does iron ores are found in Tamil Nadu? Yes, iron ores are found at Kanjamalai in Tamil Nadu. His father replied him, "Iron is used to make vehicles, engines, railway tracks, ships, buildings, furniture, paper clips, tools, bicycles, and thousands of other items. Natural resources that once consumed cannot be replaced are called non-renewable resources." Non-renewable resources can be divided into three types. They are metallic resources, non-metallic resources, and fossil fuel resources. Metallic resources, non-metallic resources, and fossil fuel resources. Son, interesting. Is gold ore a mineral? Father replied, "Yes, it is. Gold is extracted from gold ore. It is considered as one of the most precious mineral." Son, that's why it is used in making jewels. His father replied, "You are right. Gold is also a very good conductor of electricity, and it is found in small amounts in electronic devices, including mobile phones, televisions, and so on."